how to fix software install failed problem in Honor phone. Hello friends, welcome back to How to Fix It YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'll tell you that how you can fix software install fail problem. Okay, so guys, many of the times we face this kind of problem if we don't stay careful while we update our software. Okay, we face this kind of problem. So guys, we have to be very careful while we update our software. Okay, especially you have to check your battery. Okay, while you update your software, check your battery, charge your phone, and then guys, check the internet pack. Okay, internet pack is no problem. Okay, there is no problem with the net pack. If your net pack goes and in the middle of the software installed, then guys, it's not going to face any kind of problem. Okay, so guys, you have to check your battery connection, and guys, you have to check whether your phone is running on the background or not. If many applications running in the background, then guys, you have to close all the applications, okay, by tapping on the reset button. So while you update the software, and if you face this kind of problem, okay, if your software install gets a fail, then guys, watch this video. I'll give you some solution to fix this problem. So guys, let's start a video without wasting any more time, and guys, let's check out a solution. But guys, before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel as well. Okay, so let's go to the solution. So guys, what you have to do, if your software install gets fail, then guys, you have to restart your mobile. Okay, you have to restart your mobile. So after the restart, just wait some moments. Okay, you have to wait for some minutes, and then guys, again, go to setting and check your internet connections. Okay, check your internet connection. You can connect Wi-Fi, or you can connect to the data connections. And when your data becomes good, or when your data connection get connected, that guy and then guys, you can go to software and then try to re-update the software. Okay, go to system, and then guys, go to software update and update your software once again. Okay, you need mobile data or Wi-Fi to update your software. So now update your software, and then guys, problem will be solved. Okay, so guys, this is the first solution. You have only two solution in this kind of situation. Okay, one is you have to restart your phone, wait for some moments, and then try it again. Okay, but guys, check your internet connections and all. And after that guys, the second process, okay, which you have to follow by any means if you are going to update the software. So for that, you have to go to system, go to reset, and erase your phone. That's it. Okay, so guys, I don't know whether you will like this solution or not, but guys, this will be the solution to fix the software install fail problem. Okay, I'm sure and I believe that this will definitely solve your problem. So if you reset your phone, then guys, everything will be erased from your device. Okay, but guys, you can take a backup and all if you know how to backup. Okay, just go back and you can backup from here. Okay, backup in restore. So just backup to Google Drive. So you have to give the Google account. Okay, so don't lose your Google account again after the backup, otherwise you won't be recover again. So this is the solutions guys, okay, to fix your software install fail problem in your Honor device. I hope this video will be definitely helpful for you. And guys, if this video is helpful for you, then give it thumbs up. Thanks for watching.